Black sea bass? Short. Yeah, I'm put up. Yep. Alright folks, that's gonna end our trip right there. Captain Smitty ends it on a nice short black sea bass, which is gonna live to see another day. We had fun out here, but as you can see, it's getting rough, choppy, and nasty, and we got to get out of here. The bite wasn't spectacular, however we managed to scratch out a couple sandwiches. So all in all, hey, first trip of the year, it was all right. Now we're just going to try to get ourselves back in safe and sound without any problems or issues. We'll see you on the other side.